Hello, I'm Brad from Chaparral Motorsports, and today I want to introduce to you and show you the unboxing of the New Ray Toys Factory Race Rigs. Here on the table we have the Ktm Factory Race Rig, the Yamaha, and also the HRC Team Honda Race Rig. Now we're going to do the unboxing of the KTM rig here to show you all of the features and benefits that New Ray Toys has put into these models. Now these are a 1/32 die cast and plastic model set. Now, New Ray Toys has done a fantastic job at creating miniature scale models of the real deal. So today we're going to be unboxing this KTM Factory Race Rig so you can see the amount of detail that New Ray Toys puts into these rigs. Ready? Let's get into the details. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the end of the box here and slide the rig out. I'm going to open it from this end because backing this thing up is a lot more difficult than driving it forward. Now that we have this out of the box, let's take a look at this striking Peterbilt tractor right here. So you've got the dual stacks coming out the back. We have all of the lights that we would normally see on that vehicle, mirrors, wheels, steps, factory logos. Now when I say they go down to the minute details of these vehicles, take a look at this. The actual fifth wheel hitch back here on the back moves so that when you back the truck up to the trailer, you get a nice good connection. Now this tractor features rubber tires and they all roll nicely. If we look under the truck, we're going to see we have all the leaf springs in the front. We've got the drivetrain. The minute details are here. It's a pretty fun little machine. Oh. In addition to that, the die-cast metal doors open up and you can take a look inside the cab. You're going to have a casting on the inside that's going to be plastic that's going to mimic the inside of the actual Peterbilt truck that the KTM team is driving in. Now, let's take a look at the trailer. As you can see, this is the KTM Factory Race Team. All of their logos of their sponsors are here on the side of the vehicle. We've got 3 axles here that all spin nicely, and of course we have the jack back here for when this is attached to the truck. We go ahead and flip that up and the truck can go ahead and cruise around. See if the back gate opens up. It does. So the trailer door does open up and go all the way down so we can actually load dirt bikes into the back of the truck. Now let's go ahead and hook this guy up real quick. I'm gonna back it up onto the kingpin. Boom. Lock him in place. That puts him up just enough that we can go ahead and fold up the landing gear. All right, now that we're backed up to the trailer, we got our landing gear stowed. We can go ahead and drive our KTM team off to its next Supercross. The nice part about this vehicle is it does articulate as a normal vehicle would. Good for those of you who want to practice your backing up skills while pulling your toy hauler. Or even teaching your kids how to back up so when they turn 16, they can take the reins and, you know, smash up your stuff. And there you have it. That's just a quick unboxing of this KTM Factory Race Rig. Now the factory race rigs for Yamaha and Honda are going to be almost identical. The only thing we're really going to see is a change in the actual tractor itself because they are different models of tractor. And then of course the decals that are on each of those vehicles are going to match those factory race teams. If you liked what you saw today and you want to see more of these power sport videos, please take a look at the links below. The first link is going to be a link to the playlist that has all of the power sport and New Ray Toys videos that we've made in it. The second link down there is going to be our tour of the New Ray Toys facility here in Southern California, where you can see just how broad their toy manufacturing goes. It really is staggering. If you like this video today, please give it a thumbs up. If you want more action like this coming directly to your inbox, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be part of the notification squad. I'm Brad from Chaparral Motorsports. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.